Hello, I'm in a 2013 Subaru Impreza, and today I'm going to show you where your aux ports, USB ports, and charger ports are. So you've got a charger port right here, which you can just pull this out. And then inside of the center dash here, if you lift this up, you'll also see another charger port, an aux port, and a USB port. And then especially if you have like an aftermarket radio installed, it's also worth checking on the side. Sometimes they'll run an extra cord there or into your glove box that you can plug into. If you're having issues with any of these working, first I would check fuses. So sometimes fuse can burn out the process for these different charger ports and things to work. And if that doesn't do the fix, you might need to get behind the plastic where it's not working and double check all the connections are still attached, nothing needs replaced or retightened up inside of the plastic cover. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.